Coba, Coba, Coba. That's where we are right now, and that's what we're gonna do. Hello.
Okay.
Right.
Dus vamos a esperar un poco, porque me dice que hay unos que regresan.
Eh?
Coba, that's the name of the
C-O-B-A.
So we are on a tour. We're leaving Babe and Tyler behind. Ah, Sarah! Whee! Say whee! Well, I'm from Jamaica, but I live in France.
What is?
I'm from Jamaica, but I live in France.
This Europe? No? No.
Yeah. Say hello! Hi!
What is this?
So we're in a city called Coba. Coba. We're touring. Hold on tight. Yay! Both Karen and Babe to the camera, so I don't know if Babe had intro this vlog. So we're on another adventure in a city called Coba in Mexico, and we're going through the forest on these bike tours. It's 2 persons per bike. So Babe and Tyler got left behind because there were no available bikes at the time. So hopefully they'll catch up to us really soon. So you guys gonna see just Sarah and I for this leg of the trip, for this section of the tour. But it's so cool, this experience. Look in front of me. I'm gonna show you guys the idea of what the little bikes look like that we're on. So there we are, and like I said, we're in a city called Coba, and we're on these bikes going through the jungle. They're called taxi actually. But it's cool. What a good exercise for the people who ride them. Nice tourist adventure on these bikes. And going through, you can see little historic sites as you ride along. Hi Sarah, you okay? Sarah was sleeping, so she was crying just now. You were crying? Yeah. Going through Coba, C-O-B-A. That's the spelling. Ooh. These pyramids. What's the purpose? What's the significance behind these pyramids?
The Yucatan.
Of the Yucatan. Okay. History man. Hi! That's so pretty, Sarah. Don't move. Wow, Sarah. You're high up on Papa's head. You're a big girl. Good job, Ty. We're learning the history of all these monuments in Coba as we go along with the tour guide. He's here in the white. He's so nice. So the group is over there because my daughter is so loud and I don't want her to disturb them. So out of respect, I step aside. But they will give you guys a little rundown of the history of these historic sites here in Coba. He's at the front there listening. They're moving on to another one. So we're moving on along sites as we go along. Come, sir. Come.
So I think in Chichen Itza, one time per year, in the way it's like all of the lighting coming together and you make like a snake.
Oh, that's why the snake is important to them.
And they say there are 40,000 people that they are here to assist to that famous.
Oh.
They say in Tulum is the same thing. They find it one time every 52 years. 52 years is like a century for them.
Okay.
It happened every 52 years of the lighting game in Tulum. And they said last time, 10 years ago, when it was supposed to happen, it rained. So nothing could be seen.
Okay. Come, come. Princess, come! Find your velo, Ty. See him there over there. So we're taking back the bikes to do the return of the trip while Papa walk. Because Stella and Sarah enjoy the ride. Sarah, be careful to your eyes on that stick.
You have a big stick. I'm small.
You have a gun. Another monuments in Coba. Historic monuments in Coba. There we go. As we travel around them to catch up the group.
Seulement 3 jouets. Les 4 attendent toujours dans l'espace de purification là-bas. Il y a une petite cuve là. Il y avait d'eau. Les 4 attendent là.
He's explaining the rules of the game that they used to play here. Tyler is not missing out on the history. Look at him. One thing I realize about Mexico is have so much similarity to Jamaica because my grandmother's kitchen in St. Elizabeth where I grew up looked exactly like this back in the days. The same thatch roof, the same build, everything. So similar. No, Tushba. No. I also realized that in Mexico, everywhere have dream catchers. So I think it's a Mexican thing. I like that. Come on, don't touch. Dream catchers are everywhere. And thatch roofs are everywhere. So much similarities to back home. Sarah, don't touch. Coba. Okay, you guys, so we have left Coba historic site and we drove to the middle of the jungle. We are going to like a river thing and then no, we're gonna eat first in the jungle and then we're going to a river. So the day continues in a long day. We won't reach back home until night later. Yes, Sarah? Oh, it's finished. Put this one. Finish. Yay, done it. Yes, so we are off for lunch, which is almost, it's 3:30 right now. We're just arriving for lunch. I'm hungry. Hungry. But it's so worth it. Let's see if the food will worth the wait. Alrighty. We're hunting food in the jungle. In the jungle. Hunting food. But I love it. Wouldn't have it any other way. Wait, Sarah, carry it. We soon reach. No. You go on it after. Never imagined this place is hidden in this bush. It's absolutely beautiful, and we drove in so much bushes to get hidden. We're getting all the information on what is where. Laka, go tie. You can take off your hat, Papa. There's no more sun, and you're about to eat. You don't eat in your hats with reverence. Can you clip Tyler hat onto your bag? Alright, kick off of appetizers. Here we go. So we ordered tortilla soup. Tortilla soup is this one, so you have tortilla in the soup. And then we order deep fried potato taco, which is this one. And then we order hibiscus flour in shell tortilla, which is this one.
Oh, you give my soup to Sarah?
Just give that to Sarah, because I don't know what Sarah go eat.
Okay, that's okay. You want to wash your hands, you can go there.
That's fine. Alright, so I taste it. Can everybody taste it so you have an experience of what it's like? It tastes good.
Give me some.
It's soup, but there's no spoon. Sarah seemed to like it. You want me to go ask for a spoon? Try. Try, Tyler.
Tyler, look how you eat.
Trying tortilla soup. You taste the tortilla in it? You do the tortilla with it?
I didn't taste the tortilla.
Why not?
What is this?
That is deep fried potato taco.
It's what I can take.
Okay, Ty, go ahead. At least Sarah like it. This is called Jamaican. No, Sarah, you eat. You eat. Don't do that. So I'm gonna taste this one. Of course, I'm gonna dash sauce on it. You can't be in Mexico and not eating hot sauce. It's not possible. You have to come where the real deal is.
You can be.
Careful, Tyler. Sarah?
You can be in Mexico and not eating salad.
You don't want it?
You can be in Mexico and not eating salad.
El problema es cómo los acomodamos.
Mama, I don't know this salad because you know I don't like it.
That's okay.
Papa?
Soon get hamburger. So there I have fish and chips. Sarah have chicken. I already started put some potato. Put it down. Tyler have hamburger and fries. Babe, what's yours?
Enchiladas.
How it is? Okay.
My phone.
Your what?
Food.
Where's your phone?
Here. Okay, babe, it not taste bad. Nice. It not look so pretty, but it tastes good. Go in the water with Papa, Sarah. C'est quoi?
Non, c'est chaud.
Non, c'est pas vrai.
Trop brûlant.
C'est vrai? Bah non.
Faut bien prendre la douche comme ça. Non, c'est pas vrai.
Far away. You reach? You wanna go up on it?
Look.
You're going back to Papa? Good job, Ty. Look at Ty. Hi. Mama coming. Yes. Look at them. Look at them. Look at them.
Mama, I think it's up. Papa. Mama.
Done for me too if it's done for you. Yeah,
Can you take it up?
it's finished. It's time to go. Finish, Sarah. We're going up, okay? My brave boy. My brave boy. Whoa! Look at you. Yes. Hi, brave boy. Living your best life. Okay, let's go. Get down now. Swim back. Go to Papa all the way out. Or you can come to this one.
That's what I wanted to do.
Okay,
No,
come.
I feel like that I have more swim.
Hurry. So we're getting honey and chocolate lessons and history about their chocolate and their honey. So that's our group showing us how they mix their seasoning together.
Le plus piquant, il l'appelle habanero.
I tasted their pepper earlier and it's so good. It's strong of honey. Ooh. It's strong. Come.
I don't like it.
Mousy.
Do you want to taste in the chocolate?
It's yummy. Sarah love it. Son, honey. Some religious ritual is going on here, which I choose not to participate in, but it's interesting to see.
Which one? Which one?
This doctor is medicine.
Sarah?
Is a practice of Mexican culture. So you guys, the group is participating in the ritual, and the rituals creeps me out because of the Jamaican, I wouldn't say the Jamaican, but the Caribbean culture of those kind of rituals. You guys know what I'm talking about. So I detach myself from the group. The group is over there, but I'm all the way over here because y'all know where my mindset is. Anyway, I'm here waiting on the group to finish participating in the ritual, but they seem to be enjoying it. I can smell the frankincense and the stuff that we burn at home, but it's a very interesting ritual. And now to dinner we arrive.
give up. Head down, push forward through the tough times, 'cause anything worth doing is a tough climb.